Now it's the time for presentation of Energy and Environment Foundation Excellence Awards 2012. But before that, I would like to tell the awards for Energy and Environment Foundation Excellence for 2011 recipients. Well, their names are: for Excellence Award in Petroleum, the award was given to Shri S.K. Manglik, former CMD ONGC. Can we all put our hands together for him? Excellence Award in Coal was given to Padma Bhushan Mr. G.L. Tandon. And Excellence Award in Gas was given to Shri Suresh Mathur. Now our first award for Excellence Award in Petroleum Sector 2012 goes to Shri S.C. Tripathi. Let us all put our hands together for him. And let me tell you, Shri S.C. Tripathi joined Indian Administrative Services in the year 1968, second rank in the country, and was the former Secretary to Government of India, and had rich experience in finance, economics, and in petroleum sector. Shri Tripathi, a MSc, LLB, PG Diploma in Development Studies, IMA Diploma in Management. He spent nearly 20 years in finance and industry sectors as Chief Executive, Secretary levels at the state and central government, and in representative capacity at international levels. Shri Tripathi superannuated as Secretary, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas to the Government of India in December 2005. During his tenure as Secretary, Petroleum, he took a number of initiatives related to policies and encouraging private sector to participate in India's petroleum sector. The international corporation was also encouraged for providing energy security to the country. The petroleum sector was encouraged to lead through excellence and initiative. Energy and Environment Foundation recognized his excellence contribution in petroleum sector and confer him Energy and Environment Foundation Award 2012, Shri S.C. Tripathi. And I request Shri B.C. Bora to kindly give away the awards. I request Shri S.C. Tripathi to kindly come on this stage. Thank you so much. I request Shri Bora to kindly stay back because time now to give Excellence Award in Petroleum Sector again to none other than Dr. George Malkor. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell, Dr. George Malkor is a graduate of École Centrale de Paris. He also holds a Master of Science degree from Stanford University and a doctorate from École des Mines Paris. He is currently a president and CEO of CGG Veritas, a company engaged in geophysical services, software and equipments. Energy and Environment Foundation recognize his excellent contribution in petroleum sector and confer him Energy and Environment Foundation Award 2012. Thank you very much. Our next award is for Excellence Award in Coal Sector, which goes to Dr. M.P. Narayanan, who is the former chairman of Coal India Limited. He has more than 50 years of rich and varied experience in coal industry. His ability for bringing and implementing new concepts in coal CBM sector has been highly acknowledged and admired. After serving the public sector in senior capacities for about 33 years, Dr. Narayanan started his initiatives in developing public awareness in the field of information technology. Dr. Narayanan believes in creativity in work, practices interdisciplinary approach in decision making, and is rooted in Indian tradition and culture. Let us all put our hands together once again for Dr. Narayanan. Our next award is again for Excellence Award in Coal Sector. The award goes to Mr. Tespo Khadima. Let us all put our hands together and welcome him on the stage. Mr. Tespo Khadima is founding president and chief executive officer, and he has also been instrumental in his corporate and commercial success as a mining and exploration company with anthracite, coking and thermal coal projects in South Africa, Mozambique and Zimbabwe. During the last 9 years, Mr. Khadima has demonstrated excellence and success in the exploration of coal apart from platinum, gold and iron ore mining. Energy and Environment Foundation recognized his excellence contribution in coal sector and confer him Energy and Environmental Foundation Award 2012. Last. Our next award is for Excellence Award in Gas Sector. The award goes to Dr. Ashok Kumar Balyan, who is presently the MD and CEO of Petronet LNG Limited, one of the fastest growing world-class companies in Indian energy sector. Dr. Balyan has a vision of making Petronet LNG amongst the leaders in the LNG business in the world, and also diversifies into related areas of the value chain. He is recipient of large number of national and international awards. He is responsible for many firsts to his credits, to name a few: ONGC Petro Additions Limited, C2, C3 extraction within the SEG to maximize value addition to LNG, imported by Petronet LNG Limited. Energy and Environmental Foundation recognized his excellence contribution in gas sector. Thank you.